Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to send money on Remitly. So first we're going to go to our app where we can send the money. So since we're logged in, we can click on the send button on the bottom. As you can see, it's going to ask us the amount of money we're going to send. So we're going to insert. I chose 10 as an example, and this will tell you how much they'll receive. Then you're going to click on continue. Then you're going to choose for the delivery method. I chose bank deposit, then the recipient banks in that country. I chose the first option. So it's going to ask you to insert their account number as well as their routing number. So once you finish, we're going to click on continue. Then next, you're going to write the recipient's first name and last name. Then once you're done, you're going to click on continue. Then next, you're going to insert the recipient's phone number. So once you're done, you're going to click on continue. Then this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I will see you again. Goodbye.